Hi guys, three updates I wanted to give you from here on out for the rest of the year. First of all, I adjusted the Mathia due dates. So if you go onto the document that says Virtual Learning Mathia Pacing Guide, you now only have to complete up until Workspace 65. So we should be done with Mathia by Monday, May 17th. We got rid of some workspaces that we're not going to get to the content this year. So refer to that pacing guide to know what's due each Sunday night. You can also look back at the modules. If you go to each Monday, it will tell you what's due for the week under there. So these are the four that are due this Sunday. Second thing I want to mention, there are some of you guys who are behind. Please make sure that if you are making up an assignment that you fill out this form. This form will let me know that you've made something up so I know to grade it. So I'll show you what it looks like. You're going to go on here and you are going to put in your first name, last name, make sure that you choose me as your teacher, and then which platform you use to complete it, and then the specific name of the assignment so that I know to go in and look at one of those platforms for any makeup work that you've done. The third thing that I wanted to show you is starting next Tuesday, I am going to offer tutoring on Tuesdays and Thursday nights. So I know some of you guys are working outside of the school day. So again, this is just another form. You click on the form, you're going to put in your first name, last name, which class period, which date are you signing up for help on, so I know to be on my computer because it's outside of the school day. And then just tell me what you need help with and maybe give me a brief description. So I hope that those quick updates through a video were helpful for you. So updated Mathia. If you make up an assignment, please fill out that form. And if you need tutoring outside of the school day for some reason, please let me know and I will make my best effort to be on those two nights to help you out.